Welcome to English Life 24, where every word is a window and every sentence a step forward. Whether you're just beginning or finding your rhythm, this is your space to grow, to feel, and to speak from the heart. Let's learn English not just for exams, but for life, for love, for connection. Ready? Let's begin this journey together. Hello. Welcome back. My name is Sarah. In part 1, I was afraid. People laughed at me. In part 2, I continued. I did not give up. Now, this is part 3. This part is about confidence. This part is about growth. This part is about my new voice. Time passes. Days become weeks. Weeks become months. I still learn English every day. Some days are easy. Some days are hard. But I do not stop. Learning English is now part of my life. One day, I notice something. I understand more English. When I listen, I understand words. When I read, I understand sentences. Not everything, but more than before. This makes me happy. Before, I was very afraid to speak. Now, my fear is smaller. I still feel nervous, but I speak anyway. Fear does not control me anymore. I control my fear. One day, I speak English with someone new. I say, "Hello, my name is Sarah. I am learning English." My voice is clear. My words are slow. I make mistakes, but I keep going. The person listens. They understand me. This moment is very important. Part 5. No laughter this time. This time, no one laughs. No whispering. No mocking, only listening. I feel strong. I feel proud. I remember the old days. People laughed at me, but today I am still here. Part 6. I smile. After I speak, I smile. I think, I did it. I spoke English. I was brave. This smile is not loud, but it is real. Part 7. My English is still not perfect. I still make grammar mistakes. I still forget words. I still have an accent, but now I understand something important. Perfect English is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Part 8. I stop comparing myself. Before, I compared myself to others. She speaks better. He is faster. They are confident. Now I stop comparing. My journey is my journey. I move at my speed. Part 9. I start helping others. One day, someone speaks English slowly. They look nervous. I see myself in them. I smile and listen. I do not laugh. I do not judge. I help. This feels good. I say to them, "You're doing well. Keep learning. It takes time." Their eyes light up. I remember when I needed these words. Now I can give them. I am no longer ashamed of my English anymore. My accent tells my story. My mistakes show my effort. I am proud of my journey. English is now part of my life. I think in English sometimes. I dream in English sometimes. English is no longer an enemy. English is my friend. If you are learning English, listen carefully. You will improve. You will understand more. You will speak better, but only if you continue. Do not stop because of laughter. Do not stop because of fear. Read slowly. I speak English. I am confident. I am not afraid. I keep improving. Say it again. Answer slowly. 1. Do you speak English every day? 2. Are you more confident now than before? 3. Will you continue learning English? Your answers are important. Repeat every day. I believe in myself. I speak English with courage. I am proud of my progress. I never give up. I look back at my journey. I remember my fear. I remember the laughter, but I also see my strength. I am not the same person. I am stronger. My journey is not finished. I will continue learning. I will continue speaking. English will open new doors. I am ready. People laughed at me. I was afraid, but I continued. Now I speak with confidence. I am Sarah. I am an English learner, and I am proud. Thank you for sharing this moment with English Life 24, where language meets life and learning feels like home. If today's words touched your heart or helped your voice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every day brings a new chance to speak your truth. So come back tomorrow. Your next English moment is waiting.